millionaire marketer.
Do you have a YouTube channel? Well, whether your answer is yes or no, I can show you how to make $5,000 to $10,000 each and every month on YouTube without even recording or making a YouTube video. Make sure to stick behind and find out. Before we continue, if you love videos about making money online, YouTube growth, consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell icon. That way I can send you daily notification whenever I post a video. Also, for those of you interested in learning how to generate $1,000 or even more per day, there will be a link down in the description, the very first one. It's gonna take you to this page where you will sign up and you will instantly get access to the 3-step system
And register for the free training.
Now, you don't need to take my words for it. If you scroll down the page, you're going to see people just like you and me making success with this system. And before making this video that you're watching right now, I had to make research about this video. I had to script this video. I had to shoot the video. And the most annoying part is editing this video. But today, I'm going to save you that stress. I'm going to save you the stress of doing all these things I listed above. I'm going to show you how you can start a YouTube channel, how you can upload videos that you don't own. You don't have to create the videos, you don't have to make the videos, and how you can start making $5,000 to $10,000 per month on YouTube without even recording any video or making any video whatsoever. Now, before I show you how to get started, I want to show you some examples of some YouTube channels making use of this method I am going to share with you right now. And one of them is this man here called Funny Vines. I just searched him. I just searched compilation videos and I found this guy. His name is Funny Vines and this is a YouTube channel, Funny Vines. And guess what? He don't own all these videos. If I play this video for you now, you're going to see he don't own all these people. He don't know them. If I skip maybe the video, you're going to see a different kind of compilation that this channel put together in order to make all this 1-hour video. And guess what? He has over 30 million views on this video alone, on a video he don't even own. Now, if you head over to Funny Vines, you're going to see that this young man right here is making close to $17,000 to $270,000 each and every month. That is an average, which means he's going to be making an average of that amount in the middle, maybe $100,000 or even more. And his yearly estimated revenue from YouTube is, let's say $1 million or $2 million. You can guess. Oh my god. This guy is, and he's getting subscribers daily from a video he don't even own. He don't even own these videos, guys. Today I'm going to show you how this guy is getting it, how you can get your own videos and start making videos like this and start making money like this guy. And it's very easy to get started. You just have to spend an hour a day just to upload, not to create the video, not to script the video, not to do any kind of keyword research, only for you to edit the video and post it. That is all you have to do, and I'm going to show you how you're going to do it in a simple step. Now, the first step you want to go to, the first website you want to head over is PEXELS. Now, I'm here on PEXELS, guys, and you can make use of different kind of pictures and photographs here on PEXELS. And one interesting part of this PEXELS is all the videos or all the photographs you're going to use in here, they are non-copyright. Don't bother about any kind of copywriting. Any video you download or any photograph you download here on PEXELS and post it on YouTube, you're not going to be striked for copyright, or your channel is not going to be demonetized. Don't bother about that. It's absolutely copyright free videos here. You're going to download any video. So all you need to do is just to hit over to the video, and the video is going to pop up right here. And if you want to download, you can download free of charge without even creating any account. As you can see, I want to try downloading. It's gonna show this page, but don't bother about it. You can just go ahead and quit the page. And here, if you try playing the video, you're going to see all the funny stuff. Now, I typed funny video. Maybe you don't want funny video, you want a motivation video. You can type motivation video and you're going to get it. Let's try. Now, there are some motivational videos for you to choose from. If you want to make videos about motivation, you can check them. You want to make videos about inspiration, you can just click here and it's going to click over to inspirational videos, you can see. And if you're in the business niche, you can just switch. There are several videos for you to choose, guys. several, and all of them, as I said earlier, none of them is copyrighted. All of them are copyright free. You can use them free of charge without having the fear of being copyrighted by YouTube. Now, after getting all these videos or all these files and photographs, you want to edit them, you want to compile them just like phone vines. Now, how do you do that? For me, I use Filmora 9, but for you now, I want to try to use Clidio. So guys, this is the video I downloaded, the videos I downloaded previously, and as you can see, I have 3 videos and 1 photograph, and you might want to stick with this YouTube resolution, or this is the standard YouTube resolution 16:9 ratio, so you might want to stick with that. And these are the 3 videos I have. So for all these 3 videos, you want to have an audio to match to them. Now, how do you get audio videos? Now, it's very simple to get non-copyrighted videos. All you need to do is just to head over to your audio library and in your YouTube channel, and you're going to find different types of audio musics. Some of them are categorized by genre or by mood or by instrument or by duration. So maybe you want to find by mood, maybe you want to find a happy mood. Since we're doing a funny video, want to find a happy mood song, and it's going to move it, so it's going to sort out all the happy mood songs. These one are the new ones. All you have to do here is just to download these videos free of charge, and you're good to go, free of charge. All you need to do is just to press the download button, and as you can see, it has already started downloading, and you're good to go. Then you come back to this place and add them. Add the downloaded video, you just downloaded. You can just press this button and you can add it. So if you don't want to add, maybe if you completely added the video, I'm not going to add my own video now, I'm not going to add the audio now, it's going to take time. I don't want the video to be very long, so I'm not going to add the audio. Now guys, after creating the video or creating the compilation, all you need to do is just upload it. As you can see, as simple as that. You get the video, you compile the video, you add your audio files, and you upload it. As simple as that. Now all we have to do now is, we want to upload this video, right? We can just go to our YouTube channel, upload the video, and boom, starting to make money. Now I'm not going to show you how to upload a video, I'm not going to do that. If you want to learn how to do that, you can just try searching on YouTube. This video is not about that. I love to stick to what my video is all about. This video is not all about editing, uploading video. So if you did like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up right now. I am hungry for a like, I'm hungry for a comment. Now comment below, are you going to use this method of business? I want to know. I want to know if you want to use, then maybe I have something to help. Maybe I have some insight I can give you about YouTube marketing. Comment below, I want to know if you want to use this type of marketing. Now if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, because each and every day I drop videos online showing you how to make money online. Subscribe to this channel right now. Thank you very much for watching this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.